Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing hundreds of dollars in sales while you were sleeping. No office, no inventory, no shipping, just digital files working for you 24/7. That's exactly how I built a business that made over $5 million selling digital products online. And in this video, I'll break down exactly how I did it, step by step, so you can learn how to start your own digital product business from scratch. Part 1. The beginning. 5 years ago, I was broke, tired, and stuck in a 9-to-5 job I didn't enjoy. I kept seeing people online saying they were making money in their sleep. I thought it was fake, until I decided to try it myself. My first product was a simple $9 PDF guide, something I created in one night using free tools. I uploaded it and waited. 1 day went by, nothing. 2 days, still nothing. But on day 3, I woke up to my first sale, $9. That small sale changed everything. Part 2, how it grew. So here's how I turned that $9 product into a business that's made over $5 million. Step 1, I solved a real problem. Instead of guessing what to sell, I started listening. I joined Facebook groups, Reddit forums, and watched YouTube comments, looking for pain points. People weren't asking for another random ebook. They wanted solutions, so I made digital templates and tools that actually saved people time and stress. That's the secret. Don't sell what you want. Sell what people need. Step 2, I started small, then scaled. I didn't launch 10 products at once. I focused on one. I priced it low, gathered feedback, improved it, and then slowly increased the price. Once it started selling consistently, I automated everything: payment delivery, email follow-ups, and marketing. That's how my business started running even while I was asleep. Step 3, I built trust before selling. I began sharing free value online, tutorials, tips, and real lessons from my journey. People started following because I wasn't just selling. I was helping. And when people trust you, they buy from you. Step 4, I use systems, not just effort. Once I hit my first $10,000 month, I realized this isn't luck, it's a system. I built a small remote team, created content schedules, automated 90% of my process. That's what allowed the business to grow from $10,000 to $100,000 to over $5 million total. Part 3, mindset and lessons. It wasn't always easy. There were products that failed. There were months with no sales. But every failure was data. Every mistake taught me something. The truth is, most people quit too early. The difference between a $0 business and a $5 million one is consistency. I didn't get lucky. I just didn't stop. Part 4, the takeaway. Digital products changed my life, and they can change yours too. You don't need a degree. You don't need fancy equipment. All you need is an idea, a laptop, and the courage to start. Turn your knowledge, your creativity, or even your hobby into something that earns for you 24 hours a day. If you got value from this video, make sure to subscribe, because in my next one, I'll show you the exact digital product system that made this possible, step by step. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're one idea away from changing your life.